Hello lovely people! Alright, so I've just got another line dance for you guys to learn. So this one is to the song called Cry to Me. Now, it really just has two sections. The first section is so it does go around to all four sides. So the first section starts at the front and then halfway through we turn, finish off that section, and then we start again. So we change walls sort of halfway through. So there's two lots of steps. You'll see what I mean when we do it. So I'll show you from the front and then I'll instruct you from the back. So we start off with, on our right foot, we weave across. So our right foot goes, and we're weaving across to the left. So the right foot goes in front, then we step behind, then we step, rock, step, cha, cha, cha. And the cha, cha, cha is just 3 steps. Then we go back the other way to the right. So we've got our left leg, we're going in front, step, behind, step, rock, step, cha, cha, cha. Now this is where we do our quarter turn to the left as we do our rock, step, cha, 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 and back, step, cha, cha, cha. Now we've got our right leg free again, we start again. So that's really it. It travels across, so we weave to the left, then we weave to the right, then we do a quarter turn and we rock, step, cha, 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 and back, step, cha, 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 right leg. It goes in front, then it goes behind, then it goes rock, step, cha, 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 left leg front, step behind, step in front, and cha, 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 quarter turn to the back, and cha, 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 and left, and cha, cha, cha. Now if I teach you from as if that's the front, so you can follow me from behind. So we've got right leg goes, we're weaving across to the left, right leg goes in front of your left leg. So we're talking about the right leg goes in front, then it goes behind, then it goes rock, step, cha, cha, cha. Left leg goes in front, then behind, then in front, and cha, cha, cha. Quarter turn to the left, we go rock, step, cha, 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 and back, step, cha, cha, cha. Now we go to our left, so I'll be traveling towards the camera. Right leg goes in front, then behind, then a rock, step, cha, cha, cha. Left in front, then behind, then in front, and cha, cha, cha. Quarter turn to our left brings us forward and cha, 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 and back, and cha, cha, cha. So see how you go. So we've got the weave, starting with our right leg, goes to the left, goes in front, then behind, then in front, and cha, cha, cha. Sorry, I haven't got a lot of room going sideways. So right leg goes in front, and then behind, and then in front. So if you're just thinking about your right leg as you go across to the left, then your left leg's really just doing the unfolding. So if our right leg is the working one, it goes in front. The left leg does a little step to unwind on the end, and then the right leg goes behind, and in front, and cha, cha, cha. Left leg front, then behind, then in front, and cha, cha, cha. So when I'm saying then, it's like we don't want to confuse ourselves too much by thinking about what the left leg's having to do as well. So basically we're crossing, uncross, cross, uncross, rock, step, cha, cha, cha. Left crosses, uncrosses, crosses, uncrosses, cross, back, cha, cha, cha. Does that make sense? So yeah, give it a go. The weave part is the hardest bit. And then you do your quarter turn, rock, step, cha, 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 back, step, cha, cha, cha. So that should be your right is going forward, then cha, cha, left goes back, and cha, cha, cha. So you just count the 3 steps like we've done in other ones that have a cha, cha step. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Then we go off again. So to our left, cross, uncross, cross, uncross, rock, step, cha, 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 cross, uncross, cross, uncross, rock, step, cha, 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 quarter rock, step, cha, 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 back, step, cha, cha, cha. See how you go? The song is called Cry to Me. You can find it on Spotify. I'll just do a quick demo to the music for you and yeah, see how you go.
When your baby leaves you all alone and nobody calls you on the phone, don't you feel like a crying? Don't you feel like crying? Well, here I am, honey. Come on, you cry to me. When you're all alone in your lonely room, and there's nothing but the smell of her perfume. Don't you feel like a crying?
Rewind, go back as many times as you need to. Yeah, and have fun practicing at home, and I'll see you again soon in class.